When I started, like 2008, we were actually at the beginning, and the design was not on a level, let's say, what we have today. And the following designers, obviously, I've chosen myself. What we do is testing them. I mean, they come and present themselves, and I have the possibility to see their soft skills, if they are team players, and if they have the possibility to fit into my team. Because for me, a very important part is not only being a good designer, like drawing well and being capable to interpret this into a real physical model. It's also important that they integrate well into the team and being capable to support others, or if someone is in difficulties, to help them and give them tips and tools to grow. This is a very important point. The negative part would be if I would have someone which is very competitive, like over the top. He would or she would create problems in a team, you know, that everyone is getting apart and being unhappy with the situation, and it would get bigger and bigger problem. And for me, at the end, it's important that my CEO is happy with the output we have, and I can reach these goals in this tight time schedules with so many projects, only with team players who work together and support themselves. We have so many different disciplines, you know. You have the designers who are doing sketches, you have the design modelers in 3D who have to work together, and then you have the clay modelers. And the designer is always once having won a competition. He starts as a lead designer and works together with a lead CAD modeler who creates the first polygon models and CAD models to mill it out in a full-scale clay model. And then the lead designer has to work with a clay modeler to create the full-scale model to see if the volumes work the way he drew it.